All right, so you guys just made a folder called 7th grade for this class, and that folder is over here in your OneDrive. So the question is, how do you move stuff into this folder, or how do you move folders? So the next thing that you're going to have to do is, since you have a 7th grade folder and you also have a computer apply folder, what you're going to do is you are going to try and move this computer apply folder into the 7th grade folder, and there's two ways that you can do that. So the first way is you're going to take the computer apply folder and you are going to right click, and after right clicking you'll have this little drop down menu appear, and one of the options is to move or copy, and we will click that. It will then tell you where would you like to put this file, and we can select the folder that we're currently in, and then we can select that we want the computer app file inside the 7th grade folder. So you click that and click move, and you'll notice that over here this file is about to go inside of that folder, and it's going to disappear after clicking move. So if we wanted to find it, we can then go inside the 7th grade file and would see this other file. But let's say we made a mistake and we didn't actually want that there. We could again right click, and you can click move or copy, and you could bring that back over to your main area. So inside my computer app folder over here, I can then go back to this folder by clicking the inside navigation. I see my 7th grade folder, and I can also see my computer apply folder. The other way to bring a file inside of a folder is to take that file, such as computer app live, hold down a left click button, and then drag it physically to where you would like it to go. And by selecting that rectangle that's being highlighted, it will then drop down into that folder. So then again, if I were to click, you'd notice this file is in here, and if I wanted to make another folder over here calling, just test or something, that would then be in this folder, and I could drag this into that other folder. So you can either drag and drop, or you can right click and select move to bring it to another space in your OneDrive. So that's just about it, and have a good one.